Hey there, and welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio. My name is Miss Diana, and I'll be your teacher. I'm so glad you're here. There's a free mini course workbook waiting for you in the description below. It's your guide for this journey, full of colorful pictures, fun tips, and space to keep track of your progress. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. All right, let's dive into today's lesson, rhythm. All right, my friends, so let's jump into the rhythm portion of these classes. Again, this is class number 5. So hopefully you had an opportunity to check out the first 4 classes where we talked about how to sit at the piano, your hand posture, your finger numbers, as well as identifying the white keys, which is super, super important as we move forward into the next class. So we're here on number 5. Let's go ahead and jump in. So let's talk for a moment about rhythm. Music, like our bodies, has a heartbeat to it. But instead of calling it a heartbeat, we're just going to call it a beat. Now, something to remember about the beat in music is that it is steady. Can you think of something else that's really steady? A clock, right? A clock keeps time, even though sometimes it feels fast and other times it feels really slow. Believe it or not, the clock time does not change. The same 60 seconds are in every minute. The same 60 minutes are in every hour, right? So here in music, you're going to hear me talk about the beat. Now, within the beat, we have long and short sounds, which we call rhythm. And that's what we're going to discuss today. We're going to learn the basics of rhythm, the 4 most important notes that are going to get us through the first part of our course together. So let's take a look. All right, so right here, you're going to have a series of notes pop up. We have 4 notes that we're going to be working with in this beginning class. The first one is our quarter note. We're going to say for now, it gets 1 beat. So in this beginning season of notes, it will get 1 beat. Is it always 1 beat? No. But for now, yes, we'll say it's our 1 beat note. So let's go ahead and play 4 quarter notes together. You're going to notice I'm going to find my C, my middle C. So my 2 black keys to the left is our middle C. And I'm going to play 4 in a row. So I'm going to play what you see here first. I want you to look and listen, and then you could join me the second time through. So here it is. It's 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, come on and join me. So find your 2 black keys, find your C, and then we'll play it together. 1, 2, ready, let's play. 1, 1, 1, 1. You got it. Easy peasy. Okay, now the next note you see pop up here is known as our half note. Now our half note is going to get 2 beats. So let's go ahead, do a look and listen. I want you to hear these 2 half notes played back to back. So here it is. 1, 2, 1, 2. Did you notice that? I held it down and I counted for the 2 counts. So 1, 2, lift. 1, 2, lift. So it gets held for a series of 2 beats. Not to be confused with seconds here. We're not talking about that, just to keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and play these same 2 half notes together. 1, 2, ready, let's play. 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Now the next one that we're going to see pop up over here is a dotted half note. Now, fun fact, the dot actually adds half the value back to the note. So our half note is 2 beats. Half of that will be 1 beat. So that together gives us our 3 beats. Okay, so let's go ahead and play now 1 dotted half note. I'll play it through first. 1, 2, 3, off. Join me. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, off. All right, excellent. We have made it to our final note. This note is going to be our whole note. Now the whole note gets 4 beats. So that means you're going to play and hold it for 4 counts. So take a look and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, join me. Let's go ahead and play these 2 whole notes that you see here together. 1, 2, ready, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right, friend, you're ready for a challenge. So first up, we're going to have another look and listen time where we have a series of rhythm patterns together. Don't worry, for this first part, I'll play and then I want you to join me the second time through playing through the patterns, okay? And then the second part of the challenge, you'll have to stick around and find out. Let's check out this first pattern. 1, 1, 1, 2. Let's do together. Ready? Let's play. 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, let's look at our next one. Take a look and listen. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's do it together. Ready? Let's play. 1, 2, 3, 1. Awesome. All right, friend, we got a couple more coming up. Check it out. Take a look and listen. 1, 1, 2, 1. Let's do it together. Ready? Let's play. 1, 1, 2, 1. Excellent. So now you'll play it first and then I'll play it after you so you can see if you got it right. Ready? Let's do the first one. All right, let's see if you got it right. 1, 1, 1, 2. Let's look at the second one. Let's try it together. 1, 1, 1, 1. How about the next one over here? Here it is. 1, 1, 2, 3. Awesome, friend. So now I'm going to put some different patterns up that will be a little bit longer. 2 patterns put together so that you can have a little bit more practice with me. Go ahead and take a look. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. My friend, I'm super proud of you. I can't wait to join you in our next class where we will be playing our first song together. I'll see you there. Great job today. You're one step closer to becoming a piano superstar. If you had fun, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when the next lesson drops. And don't forget to check the mini course workbook below. It's the perfect way to keep the learning going between videos. See you next lesson.